Hello and welcome to Shadow English. Today, we will practice a simple A1 English story. Listen carefully and repeat after the speaker. Speak slowly, clearly, and with confidence. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Just listen, repeat, and enjoy the story. Let's begin our English shadowing practice together. Noah's first garden. Noah is a young man. He is 20 years old. He lives in a small village. His house is near a hill. Every morning, he wakes up early. He opens the window. The air is cool and fresh. He smiles at the bright sky. He says, "Today is a good day." He drinks a glass of water. He puts on a clean shirt. Then he walks outside. He likes the quiet morning. The birds sing in the trees. Noah feels happy and calm. Near Noah's house, there is an empty place. The ground is dry. There are many small rocks. There are no flowers. There are no vegetables. Noah looks at the empty place every day. He has a simple idea. He wants to make a garden. He says, "I can do this." He feels excited. He wants to learn. He wants to grow plants. He wants to make the place beautiful. The idea stays in his mind all morning. Noah finds an old shovel. He also finds a small bucket. He walks to the empty place. He begins to move the rocks. The work is not easy. The sun becomes warm. Noah works slowly. He takes a short break. Then he starts again. He moves more rocks. The ground looks cleaner. He feels tired, but he is proud. He says, "This is my first step." He smiles again. A woman lives next door. Her name is Nora. She sees Noah working. She walks over to him. She says, "Good morning." Noah says, "Good morning." Nora asks, "What are you doing?" Noah says, "I want to make a garden." Nora smiles warmly. She says, "That is a nice idea." She gives him a pair of gloves. Noah thanks her. He feels thankful for her kindness. Nora knows about plants. She looks at the ground. She says, "The soil needs help." She brings a bag of good soil. Noah carries the bag. They put the soil on the ground. They work together. Noah learns many new words. He learns soil, seed, water, and plant. He repeats the words slowly. Nora smiles. She says, "You are learning well." Noah feels happy. He enjoys learning English and gardening. Nora gives Noah some seeds. There are tomato seeds. There are carrot seeds. There are lettuce seeds. The seeds are very small. Noah looks at them carefully. He makes small holes in the soil. He puts the seeds into the holes. He covers them gently. He does not hurry. He works slowly and carefully. Nora says, "Very good." Noah feels proud of his work. The next morning, Noah brings water. He waters the soil carefully. He does not use too much water. He does not use too little water. He waters every part of the garden. Then he waits. He knows plants need time. He visits the garden every day. He watches the soil. He watches the sky. He learns to be patient. Waiting is not easy, but Noah keeps trying. One morning, Noah sees something new. A tiny green plant is in the soil. He looks very closely. He smiles with joy. He calls Nora. Nora comes quickly. She says, "Your seed is growing." Noah feels excited. The small plant is beautiful to him. He says, "Hello, little plant." He laughs. Nora laughs too. The garden is beginning to grow. Noah feels full of hope. After a few days, more plants appear. Small green leaves come from the soil. The garden is not empty now. Noah waters the plants every morning. He removes small weeds. He keeps the garden clean. The plants grow a little every day. Noah watches them carefully. He learns something new each day. He feels more confident. His garden becomes greener and brighter. His hard work is helping the plants. One afternoon, dark clouds appear. Soon it begins to rain. The rain falls gently. Noah stands near the window. He watches the garden dot the plants move in the wind. The rain gives water to the soil. Noah does not need his bucket today. He feels relaxed. He enjoys the sound of the rain. He knows the plants are happy. Nature is helping his garden grow. A boy walks near the garden. His name is Leo. He is curious. He looks at the plants. He says, "Your garden is nice." Noah smiles. He says, "Thank you." Leo asks many questions. Noah answers slowly. They talk about tomatoes and carrots. They talk about water and sunlight. Leo says, "Can I help?" Noah says, "Yes, of course." Now Noah has a new friend. Leo comes every morning. He brings a small watering can. Noah and Leo work together. They water the plants. They remove weeds. They look for insects. They talk in simple English. They practice new words. They repeat the words together. Their English becomes better. Their friendship becomes stronger. They laugh often. The garden grows larger. The work becomes easier when they help each other. After many weeks, the tomatoes become red. They are round and bright. Noah picks one tomato carefully. Leo picks another tomato. Nora joins them. They wash the tomatoes. Then they eat them together. The tomatoes are fresh and sweet. Noah smiles proudly. He remembers the empty place. Now it is full of life. The garden gives food and happiness. Everyone feels grateful. Noah has many vegetables now. He has tomatoes, carrots, and lettuce. He puts them in a basket. He visits an older man in the village. The man lives alone. Noah gives him the basket. The man smiles warmly. He says, "Thank you very much." Noah feels happy. Giving food to others feels good. He learns that kindness is important. A small garden can help many people. People in the village notice the garden. They stop and look. Some people ask questions. Some people ask for seeds. Noah shares what he has. He teaches simple gardening steps. He speaks slowly and clearly. He uses easy English words. The children listen carefully. They smile and repeat the words. The little garden becomes a place for learning. Noah enjoys helping everyone. One evening, Noah sits near the garden. The sky is orange and pink. The air is cool again. The plants move gently in the wind. Leo and Nora sit beside him. They smile together. Noah says, "This garden changed my life." He learned patience. He learned kindness. He learned English. He made a good friend. He helped his village. He looks at the garden with a grateful heart. Tomorrow, he will plant new seeds. A new story is beginning.